My channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing / try-on. So my name is Gabrielle Nicole. For you guys that don't know me, please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is our box, and when we open it, you see all these goodies. And we've got our theme card, and then they also included in a 20% off for cover FX right here. And the theme for this month is Galaxy Glow. And then on the back of it, it has all of the products, little description, how to use them, etc., the prices. And then right here in this little corner, it tells you which version you have. Ignore my ugly band-aid. And I have version 2. So okay, so the first thing that I see in here is this pure stick. I gotta look at the card because I have no idea what this is. Okay, this is a lip pumping lip exfoliator. This retails for $17. So I think that this is pretty much like, if you didn't get the sugar and lemon one, you would get this one. Goes. I was kind of hoping I would get that lemon and sugar one, but I'm just glad that we got a different lip exfoliator in general, just because it's that time of year and I've really been needing one and wanting one, and I was like, you know, I really think that I should just break down and buy one, and then Boxycharm sent one, so I was like kind of excited about that. The next thing I see in here is this brush trio by Crown Brushes. Okay, so right away looking at these, they have some major Wet n Wild vibes, like, and they've got this pink on top, and they're white, and they've got the little handles. Like, these are so similar to the Wet n Wild brushes that it's kind of crazy to me. I feel like the shape of brush, well, these shapes, I feel like we just got some that were very similar to this, so that's kind of a little disappointing, but I always love doing makeup brushes, so I won't really complain. But okay, so the trio of these are worth $29.99. So according to our sheet, it said that this small brush is best used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath of the eyes. So that's this one right here. So we will try it for what it recommends. And then it says that this medium brush is meant to sculpt the cheekbones and the perimeter of the face, so I'm assuming just like normal contouring. And then it says that this big brush right here is used to set everything in place, so you would use your setting powder. And then the next thing that I see in here is this pencil. This is a vintage smoky eye pencil in the shade Jet Black. So that's what that looks like. I really like that packaging. I think that's really cute. This retails for $21. That is ridiculous for a pencil. Okay, can we be honest here? The next thing that we have in here, this is the most exciting thing for me. This is what I'm super excited for. This is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and I'm pretty sure that we all got the same color for this, and I think it's supposed to be amethyst. So this product is really cool because you can use this for a lot of different things. This retails for $28. They are crease proof and weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. So I have seen people use these on their lips. I've seen them as a highlighter, and I have also seen them as an eyeshadow. So I think that it's a really cool product. I think that it's really cool that you can use it for so many different things. The next thing in here is this Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. And this retails for $39.99. I was really excited for this, and I was really hoping that I got this because the other alternative, as far as I know, is it's like a Ofra magnetic palette. This is definitely the better deal because that Ofra magnetic palette is $15 and this is a $40 product. So obviously highlighting palette, you use it to highlight. It's got the sleeve, and then we open it, Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so it's a little dark in here now, but I just wanted to be able to show you guys the colors. And so doing the math on it, my box in total is worth $135.98. So that's a pretty good deal. If you're not sure what Boxycharm is a subscription service. And it's a beauty subscription service. You spend $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 beauty products that are full size or deluxe size. It's a pretty great deal. It's really good if you're trying to build up your makeup collection, or if you just really like makeup. So that is our Boxycharm unboxing, and now I will go through and do a look using these. First thing that I'm going to start with is the lip exfoliator. It doesn't really give us a lot of instructions, so I guess what I'm going to do is just apply it to my lips and see how it goes. I can feel all the little beads in it. It didn't look like there was going to be any until I started applying it, and now I can feel them. Okay, so this smells really good. It tastes really good. I like this so far. Hopefully it does a good job. So now I'm going to go through and do my makeup, like my face makeup with these. Everything that is not in the box I'll be doing off camera, such as my eyebrows, other eyeshadows, etc. Okay, so I just went through and I put some primer and some eyebrows and a little bit of concealer around my eyebrows, and also some BB cream. I didn't use this brush for concealer for my eyebrows just because it's not precise enough for that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I am going to highlight my face. And while I'm highlighting my face, I'm going to use that brush instead of my Silla sponge and see how it goes at blending. This brush feels really soft, and I actually really like how it blended out. But the thing about it is I still really feel like the Silla sponge is easier. In case you're wondering, I did use the NYX HD concealer for that. But okay, and now I'm gonna go through and contour with the brush that they recommend contouring with. So this is that brush right here, and I'm just gonna go through with my Anastasia contour kit. This is the powder version. It's a pretty dense brush. Okay, and they recommend this last brush to set your makeup with, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through with the NYX HD finishing powder and bake my face. Okay, so I don't think that this brush is bad for that. I actually feel like, if anything, this brush is very perfect for that, and this is probably my favorite brush, mostly because it has this angle at the top of it, so it makes it nice because I can get right underneath of my eyes. So while that is setting, I'm going to go through and I'm going to do some eyeshadow, and I will come back for the rest of the product. Okay, and now I'm just going to go through with the Cover FX. Guys, this is so pretty. I'm really obsessed with this. I really, really love this. Oh, I can't wait. I have so many ideas. So, I am going to put this to the test because I'm going to apply just a little bit of it right here in my crease and try to smudge it out. I'm really hoping that I'm not ruining this eye look by bringing this in. So I'm just going to do a little teeny tiny bit, and it's only just really to give my crease a little bit more depth. It is very creamy. It applies really easily, which I think is a really good thing. Okay, so it does smudge out pretty well. This probably wasn't the best way to use it, but I wanted to try, and I really wanted to put this stuff on my eyes, so it is what it is. Okay, so I really just want to apologize for all of the light changes in this. I was starting off and I was using my light, and then my light died, and then I was going with natural light, and now it's getting dark. So now I had to turn my house light on and use a little bit of the natural light. So I'm sorry about that. Okay, and then the next thing is the highlighting palette, and I'm going to go through with this. Okay, I'm going to go through with this orangish color right here. It's hard to see, but this one right here. And a little brush, and I'm going to use this as an inner corner highlight. Okay, and now I'm going to use that same highlight as a cheekbone. I don't know, I guess for a $40 highlighter palette, that really doesn't do a whole lot. It's not very, like, in your face like I like, but I'm a little extra when it comes to highlight anyway. Put on some mascara and some lippy, and I decided that I'm going to try to use a different highlight or more highlight. It did a really good job on the inner corners, which you can see right there, but on my actual face I feel like it didn't do a whole lot, so I'm just going to try different ones to see how it works. And sooner or later I'm just going to become this really cute glazed eye. So I'll try to go in with this purple shade because it's a little off, like it's kind of like a bright color. It's this one right here, and so we'll just kind of see if I get a little anything. Okay, this one I can tell right away definitely has more pigment or shimmer. Yeah, you can see it now. Okay, so that's good, because I was like, girl, why are you gonna show me a highlighting palette if you can't even highlight with it? You know what I'm saying? But this is looking good. I'm gonna go through with the blue too, because you know what? Why not? Just why not? It's still not like super bright, but okay, so this is our finished look using our Boxycharm products. I think my favorite thing out of this is exactly what I was so excited for, and it's that shimmer veil by Cover FX. I love it. I think that it is so beautiful. It doesn't even do it justice on here, but because it's multi-use, it's going to be really cool to see all the different things I get to use it for. I really like this lip exfoliator. Well, I'm not wearing it now, but I really like that lip exfoliator. I feel like it does a really good job. I'm not like super hyped about it. I think the pencil was such a dud for me, like why? But the highlight palette, it was okay. It wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be, so that's a little disappointing. The brushes, like I said, I really like getting brushes. Crown brushes are really great. They look like Wet n Wild knockoffs, which is weird because Wet n Wild is cheaper. But anyways, I like that we get brushes. I just didn't like the shape of them because I feel like we just got some that were very similar in shape. But I always love getting brushes, and I will not complain, and I will just leave it be. But that is our February 2018 Boxycharm unboxing. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like or comment. And yeah, I will see you next time. Thank you.